Bored Girl again, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making the softest Play-Doh you've ever felt, probably in your life. I also have a special guest. She's my BFF and my sister. But without further ado, let's get the show on the road. So, the ingredients you'll be needing will be some conditioner, cornstarch, a bowl, or 2 bowls, and a measuring cup with something to mix with. If you're wondering what's in here, it's my conditioner. I already poured it in, but you're gonna need 1 cup of conditioner. This is optional, so you don't have to add any food coloring or anything. And then also just make sure the smell is good because you're gonna be smelling it probably a lot. So I'm just gonna start mixing this together, and then I'm gonna pour some red dye. I'm probably gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. You want to stir that? You can stir that. Got that? All right.
There's like some right there.
So we did it. It turned out spotty. It's probably how it's gonna turn out, but I'm just gonna pour this into this little bowl. I have a little bowl. Just gonna pour in. Not really, but oh well. So now I'm just gonna pour 2 cups of, 2 cups of cornstarch into my mixing, or into my measuring cup like that. I don't know what it's called again. Then ours turned out in a little bit of a clump, and that's 2 cups. Exactly, 2 cups. So I'm just gonna pour it into this my big bowl. And you wanna separate them first. Well, that's my advice, just to separate them first. Whoa! And then, so I'm just gonna pour this in. I'm just gonna start pouring the conditioner into the cornstarch. I forgot what it was, even though I use cornstarch a lot for baking. I think that's enough. You want to stir that? So guys, this is what ours turned out to be. It still has some white clumps in it, but that's okay. Just keep playing with it, and if you need to add more cornstarch, feel like it, and go ahead and add more cornstarch. It smells super good. It's super stretchy. Not stretchy, but it's stretchy kind of. It's almost like a mixture of slime and Play-Doh. And so just have fun with it. It smells amazing, like what she said. But I like this. It looks like a sherbet because it had like red. It has red lines all over it. I'm just gonna use this to clean up the counter some. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and give this video a big thumbs up again. And bye, guys. Thanks for watching.